you don't know, I have a Discord server, and on there I made a bot specifically for it. About a week ago now, however, it completely broke for some reason. So now, I'm going to be rewriting all the code for it, and hopefully making it better. This probably won't be the case, but... The bot for the time being is going to be very simple compared to what it was in the past. I'm going to be adding in its previous features eventually, but for now I want to squeeze as many YouTube videos as I can out of this. For the bot, I'm going to be using the API library DiscordPy, and if I get one more single comment about how I say its name wrong, I swear. Setting up the bot is pretty simple. You basically just tell it what you're going to be having the bot do, which is known as the intents of the bot. Since this is just for me and won't be in multiple servers, I just set it to everything, and definitely not because I don't know what half the intents mean. Next up, I want the bot to say hi to new people whenever they join the server. DiscordPy is nice because it is event-driven, meaning I can write a function named on_member_join, and it will automatically call the code in that function whenever someone joins the server. You then just have it send a mention to that user and say whatever you want. I tell them to check out the rules since I don't want any assholes in my server, and to the introductions because I want to meet new people. If you want, there is a link to the server in the description if you want to check out the bot for yourself. And, maybe while they're down there, you could, subscribe and stuff, you can do that too, I guess, but I'm not forcing you to yet. Next, I want the status of the bot to change to something different every 10 minutes to keep things fresh and quirky and fun or something. So I basically create a list containing everything that I want it to say. I just tell it to run this code every 10 minutes, then have it look for the next item in the list and set that to the bot's status. Next up, I want to make a bit of code that sends the rules to the rules channel. It's a little more difficult than it sounds since I want it to look fancy and sleek to contrast me, and to do that we're going to be using embeds. Embeds are basically that little black box that appears in links with the line to the left that gives a preview of the URL. We're going to be hijacking that basically and putting our rules in that. I want this to function as a command, so I put the client.command decorator on a function. This basically tells the bot that if a message starts with these prefixes and then the name of the function, it will run that code. You specify an embed by setting a variable equal to discord.embed and then filling out the name, title, and value variables, which correspond to different parts of what we want it to say. You then just specify you want to send this as an embed of a message and do that as many times as you want to send the rules. To finish things off, I wanted to create a ping command and a clear command. A ping command is basically a command that allows you to check the latency of the bot to make sure everything is running smoothly. It's not rocket science, dude. You basically just get the ping of the bot and then send it. It's not tough. A clear command, surprisingly enough, is just as simple. You just take in the amount of messages you want it to clear, and then tell it to clear it. Strange how this stuff works. Sadly, that is going to have to do it for this video. This is significantly shorter than what I usually post, but I assure you there is a reason for that. For the past few weeks now, I've been working on a program that takes all the tweets from the past year and puts it into a program that basically tells if the last year was good or not based on those tweets. This has proven very difficult for me since it involves a lot of stuff I'm not really used to, so it's taken me a lot longer than what I anticipated. I will be going into more details on my Discord if you're interested, or you could just ask comments in the comments below. That was a stupid sentence. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will be posting more about it here soon, so do be sure to subscribe if you're interested. Nonetheless, have a great day.